These patients can't get enough of their newest residents. Toy company Hasbro donated the cuddly friends to Hamilton Health Services in Canada after a representative for the hospital reached out about purchasing the robotic cats. Jean Riley, a therapeutic recreationist there, said not only are they portable and easy to use, but these kittens promote positive interactions for residents. The lovable animals are especially great for patients with dementia because it gives them something to focus on and helps encourage relationships with staff. While these pets may seem unconventional, they're absolutely perfect friends for these patients.